Now then, in order to play music, if I go into my iTunes here and we go onto there, you see at the bottom the red triangle with 3 red circles. If I click on there, sorry, TPK music. Now, so we'll just turn that up, go back to that, click play, and there you go. It's playing, but the quality, it's okay if it's something you want to listen to, but it's not the normal audio quality because it's being streamed from your phone through here, through there, and it's not like a normal audio streaming head unit. Now, if let me just say again, see, if I go into more there and then click downwards, settings, then you've got audio, ringtones, volume, and mobile audio. You have to make sure there's a tick in that mobile audio, otherwise it won't play. It'll show it's selected here, but it won't play. So I'll just show you how to switch it on again. So into more, click the downward arrow, into settings, into audio, and then mobile audio. Make sure there's a tick in there, and there you go. It comes up phone, and if I turn that up again, it's playing. That's it. That's how you do it.